Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a simple scatter plot using an AI prompt and then sharing this prompt with your favorite AI chatbot and then getting the R code, putting the code into R and getting the scatter plot. So that's the plan for this video. As always, I'm going to copy my prompt, put it in Gemini. So that's the AI chatbot that I'm using, and here I want to create a scatter plot showing the relationship between two continuous variables. One will be financial well-being score and the second will be financial skill score. Again, if you want to know more about these two variables, you should look at the National Financial Well-being Survey Codebook. All of this is publicly available, as I have mentioned before. So if I click here, it should give me the codebook, and then I can look at FS score. That's going to be the second variable I'm going to use, along with FWB score, which is financial well-being score. So here in my prompt, I'm going to share the dataset name, which is FWB data. My X variable is going to be this FS score, or this financial skill score. So here, and then I'm just going to put the explanation of it, which is financial skill score. I can just copy that from there and paste it here. Then the Y variable is going to be financial well-being score. So that's going to be FWB score. I don't need to look at it in the codebook because I know how this has been coded. Financial well-being score. Maybe I should make all caps. Now filter out observations where I'm just going to say where the variables are negative, Now I definitely know that for FWB score, as we saw in earlier videos, negative score means missing response. But now let's see whether it is the same for FS score. Yes, so for FS score, -1 means refused. So any negative score, we just want to get rid of them, and we just want to focus on these positive scores, and these scores can range between 5 to all the way up to, let's see how high it can be, 85. So higher score should mean greater financial skill. Okay, so I believe that should be it in terms of instructions. Two more things here. These two lines that I put here in brackets, remember in my prompts that I'm sharing with you, anytime you see a bracket, this just means some extra information that you may or may not use. So you can totally get rid of them if you want the simplest scatter plots, but I want to keep them because I want to not only have scatter plot, but also I want to draw a best fit line through those dots and also show the regression equation. That's why I'm just going to keep them, but you can definitely exclude these two lines. I'm just going to hit submit, and I'm going to wait for it to show me the code. Fingers crossed. I'm so excited. I am going to select all this and click run. Let's see. So this is how the scatter plot looks like, and it looks actually pretty good to me. It shows the relationship between these two variables, financial skill score and financial well-being score. It seems like in general there is a positive relationship, as we might expect. As we can see, this line is upward sloping. That's the best fit line through these dots, and all we can learn from this scatter plot is that there is a positive relationship between financial skill and financial well-being. Now, of course, that conceptually makes sense. Those who know more about finance, they tend to be better off financially. But more importantly, I hope you have seen in this video how easy it is to create these scatter plots. All you have to do is use this template that I'm sharing with you, and depending on your analysis, you just fill in these blanks and you should be good. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create grouped scatter plots.